Hello everyone! Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo ng order of operations. Tuturuan ko kayo ng anong pasunod-sunod. Okay po? Kasi maraming bata ang nalilito kasi hindi alam kung pasunod-sunod. Okay. Unahin natin multiplication. Kasi sa PEMDAS, nauna ang multiplication. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? So, 2 times 5, the answer is 14. And then, 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Then, 14 minus 10, the answer is 4. Next, letter B. Dito sa letter B, kahit anong unahin ninyo, kasi paras lang naman yan, i-subtract natin kasi may negative. Pero, mas maganda, ito, i-subtract natin kasi same lang naman yan. So, 11 minus 8, the answer is 3. Then, 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. Okay po. Next, 16 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6. So, division muna tayo. Division. So, 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So, 16 plus 2 minus 6. Okay. So, unahin natin muna yung addition. Hulay natin yung subtraction. So, 16 plus 2, the answer is 18 minus 6. Then, 18 minus 6, the answer is 12. Ang PEMDAS kasi, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Next, 4 plus 2 cube minus 5. Unahin natin yung 2 cube muna, yung may exponent. Okay po? So, 2 cube, the answer is 8. Kasi, tatlong 2, i-multiply mo, the answer is 8. Next, addition. 4 plus 8, the answer is 12 minus 5. Kasi, AS, addition. 12 minus 5, the answer is 7. Next, 3x plus 4 times 5 minus 2. Ang P natin sa PEMDAS is parenthesis. Kaya yung nasa loob sa parenthesis, yun ang unahin natin. Okay? Kahit anong operation yun, basta nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun ang unahin natin. So, 3 plus 4, the answer is 7 times 5 minus 2. So, multiplication natin. Ang sunod, multiplication. So, multiply natin 3 times 5, the answer is 35 minus 2, the answer is 33. Kasi PEMDAS, multiplication, nasa uli ang subtraction. Next, 6 divided by 3 times 3 plus 1. Yung nasa loob muna ng parenthesis. So, 6 divided by 3 times 4. So, 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. Next, division. 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. Okay po. So, yung last na example, alam niyo na gagawin nyo, pakilagay yung sagot sa baba. Thank you and good luck.